So we have We have 248 times 75. Okay, what would you do first?
You would multiply the ones by the hundreds, I think.
Yeah, good. And I want to remind myself here that I have really 200 plus 40, and I have an 8. And down here I have 5 and what?
5 and 70.
Good. Okay, so I'm gonna multiply. So I want you to say the number. So multiply blank times.
5 times 200.
Yes. So we're gonna multiply 5 times 200. I'm gonna write it down here. So when multiplying the lower ones, I'm multiplying 5 times 200, and 5 times 200 is 5 times 2 is 10, and then the 2 zeros from the 200. So I have 1,000. Okay. And what is my next step? Multiply, tell me the number.
5 times 40.
Good. So I'm multiplying 5 times 40, and that is 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. And then I have that extra 0 from the 40. So I have 200. And what's my next step? Multiply.
5 times 8.
Okay, 5 times 8, and 5 times 8 is 40. Okay, so 40. Good job. I did the ones. Whew.
Can you
Okay.
explain where you got 200 from again, please?
Lower tens. This is not hard. It just takes patience, really. So multiply.
70 times 200.
Good. 70 times 200. 70 times 200. So that is 7 times 2 is 14. And then I have 1, 2, 3 zeros. Okay. So I have 1, 4, 1, 2, 3 zeros. Look at how I'm lining it up so I don't mess up with the place values. Now, what's my next step? Tell me the number.
70 times 40.
And I have 70 times 40. 7 times 4, 28. And I have 2 zeros. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 8, 2. Okay, and last step, thank goodness.
70 times 8.
70 times 8. 7 times 8 is 56, and I have that 0 from the 70. Okay, so I have 0, 6, 5. Whew. Okay, are we ready? All right, we did the lower tens. Let's add. All these zeros equal 0. And I have 4 plus 6 is 10. What do I have to do if it's 10?
Carry the 1.
Carry the 1. Okay. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 5.
16.
And you
Carry the 1.
Thank you. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 2 is
8.
good. Do we need to carry a 1? No.
No.
And then we just bring down this 1. And our answer is 18,600. Okay. Any questions?
No.
Okay. You're gonna need to use paper for this. Okay. Let's continue. Please give me a 1 for I don't understand at all, a 2 for I need to do this again, a 3, I think I get it, or 4, I get it, 5, I get it, and I can explain it to someone else. Okay. Thank you for your honesty. Okay, hopefully we're gonna do one again. So hopefully the 3s becomes 4 or 5s. Okay. All right, so try this on your own and we can do this together. Let me give you some pointers. So line it up like this, 371 times 38. Here you're gonna put the oh goodness. Here you're gonna click twice. I mean, when you open it, this is when you open it, when you open your own, because I'm gonna post this on the assignment, classroom assignment. Just line it up like this, and when you have to do this on these slides, you're gonna put all the numbers you're adding in these bars. Okay? So you're gonna put all those numbers in these bars and then your answer is gonna be here. But try this on your own right now. As you are doing it and you get stuck, I want you to raise your hand and ask the question. Is that clear? It's okay to get stuck. It is time to ask the questions. Go ahead and try it on your own. And I'm gonna leave this example here just for reference.
I have a question.
Yes.
So, I'm lost. So, what do I do after I multiply the 8 by 300?
Okay. So after you multiply the 8 by the 300, you would put the answer on this part.
Uh-huh.
What did you get?
2400.
Good. Let me get another page, another. Okay, I'll just do 3. Oh, blue. 371 times 38. So 8 by 300, and you got 2,400. You put it down here.
Uh-huh.
Now you're asking what to do next.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you look at the steps, you multiply the ones by the tens.
Okay, so 8 times 7. Okay, I got 506.
Okay. Then what do you think you're gonna do next, Daniel?
Don't you multiply the ones?
Good.
Okay, and then I'm done, right? And then you add, right?
No. So if you multiplied 8 times 70, what did you get?
560.
560. And then you multiply the ones. 8 times 1 is 8. Is Daniel G done?
Yes.
No. No.
So what else? What's the next step?
We add.
No, I think it's you've got to multiply it by the 3 now.
Yeah. You have another place value.
So I multiply 8 times 3?
No. You
3 times
multiply. So hold on. 300. We have 70 here. This is good. It's good that we're doing this together and you're asking questions. So you always multiply the bottom by the top.
Mm-hmm.
So you multiply the lower ones by the hundreds, lower ones by the tens, lower ones by the ones. Okay, now you want to multiply the lower tens by the hundreds, lower tens by the tens, lower tens by the ones.
Okay.
And then you're gonna put those numbers down here. So now in this one, you have 30 and 8. So you have to multiply 30 times 3. What is 30 times 3? I mean, times 300.
It's 900, and then I got for the 7, I got 210, and then
Hold on.
Wait,
3
what?
30. Remember, it's 30 times 300.
what? Oh, 30. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's 30 times 300. So we have 1 0, 2 zeros from the 300. Then we have 1 0 from the 30, and 3 times 3 is 9. So Daniel, you can put those numbers here too on this big list.
It's 9,000.
Yeah. And then you multiply the tens by the tens and then the tens by the ones. And then you add.
Okay, so I got 9,000, 2,130.
In total?
Well, no, not in total, but in those last ones, I got 9,000 for the hundreds, and then I got 2,100, and then I got 30. When you
Did
multiply,
everybody get that as well? So he got 2,100, 210. 3 times 7 is 21. 30 times 7 is 21, and then the 0 from the 30. Then we have 30 times 1 is 30. And we add all of those numbers together. Okay, if you already added, please put the answer on the chat. I'm doing it with you. I'm just covering it. Can someone show us their work?
I can, or wait, I can't, not the notebook. For some reason my camera isn't working, but I can tell you how I did it.
Okay, hold on. Let me see. You can just share. Well, you don't have to share your screen.
I can just tell you how I did it.
Okay, tell me.
Okay, so the way I did it was I did 371 times 38, and the way I did that was the first thing I did was I did 8 times 300 in the 371, and then when I did that and then I got 2,400, and then I did 8 times 7 or 70, and I got 560. Then I did 8 times 1 and I got 8. Then after that I did times the 3 or the 30 and the 38, and when I did that I did 30 times 300, which is like the 3 and 371. Then I did 30 times 70, which is the 70.
Hold on. What did you get? 30 times 300?
Oh, I got 9,000.
Oh, okay.
And then for the 30 times 70, I got 2,100. And then for 30 times 1, I got 30. Then I added them all up and I got 14,098.
Yeah. So Daniel, I think here we may have messed up in the other one. I think we put 210. 30 times 70 is 2,100 because it has the 0 from the 70 and then the 0 from the 3.
Are
30.
you talking to me?
Yeah.
Well, I got the same answer.
Okay, good. So we have 8. We have 6 plus 3 is 13, 10, 9. Then we have 1. And then we have 14. So the correct answer is 14,098. Any more questions? Okay. Let's try one more as an exit ticket. I'm gonna give it to you actually on the screen. Okay, as an exit ticket in the chat, please write the answer for